I want to talk to you today about a website that I use just about every day in my classroom called BrainPop Junior. It is an interactive website that helps to engage students, that has developmentally appropriate animated movies, got learning games, interactive quizzes, primary source activities, concept mapping, and the list goes on. This is a website that has to be purchased in order to have access in the classroom. You can get a classroom license for just an individual teacher, which is $160 a year, or the school can purchase a year's subscription for $13.50 a year. There are some videos and resources that are available for free without a subscription. BrainPop is used to show videos that help to align with most subject areas that you can think of. You can use classroom computers, tablets, anything that has access to the internet to view the videos and take the quizzes. There is a new feature for BrainPop Junior called My BrainPop, which is a place where students can have an individual account to take quizzes and watch videos, and that teachers can log into and see their own students' activities. Students can play games also that enforce the educational concepts being taught. There are pre-made lesson plans that are sorted by topics that the teachers can access through the website that integrate videos, games, and activities into these standards. Each lesson has an easy and hard quiz that students can take individually for a grade, or as I like to use very often, as a class to get an idea of the whole class understanding. Creating a lesson plan with BrainPop Junior is very easy. You decide which standards you're wanting to teach. You can click on the BrainPop Educators to get access to pre-made lesson plans, or you can click on the standards to search for standards you're wanting to use. I'm going to click right here so that I can show you what I'm talking about. Here is the BrainPop Junior website. Right here is the standards tool that I was talking about. You can click on that and you find your state. Mine would be South Carolina. I'm looking for a math, and I am in kindergarten. So there you see all the different standards, and it has videos that go along with each of them to help you out. I also want to go back to show you the pre-made lesson plans. I said to click on the BrainPop Educators right there. Over here on the left-hand side, lesson plans and materials. There are BrainPop Junior lessons that you sort by topic. Let's try math again. There's different subtopics. And then they'll show you videos that go along with that subtopic. Let's go back to the PowerPoint and keep going. Each video is also accompanied by quizzes, activities, and other helpful things to help the lesson plan be more engaged. Assessing using BrainPop. Like I said, each video has an easy and a hard quiz. They can be taken as a whole group to check, which I like to do very often with my age group. They can also be taken individually on a computer, tablet, or mobile device with access. Quizzes can be done online or printed to be written on. And I'll show you that again. I'll show you how to get to that. I'm just going to choose the movie of the week to show you. Down here you see the hard quiz, easy quiz.
Easy.
Clicking on the easy quiz. And there they have the paper version or the online version that you can take. Some easy classroom integration. The BrainPop videos are a great way to introduce a new topic. Very often I will do that to help get kids excited about what we are going to be learning about. For example, if you're going to be talking about the season of fall, you can play the fall video to help students get an idea of what they're going to be learning about. Another fun thing is to help them to take the quiz first before watching the video. This will help them see which items to be looking out for in the video, and then take the quiz again after so that they can see what they have learned. A great feature in the BrainPop Junior videos is the pause points. If you'll see right over here on my picture, when the pause button turns red, usually happens when there's a question that pops up over here. That is a great stopping point to have classroom discussions and to find out prior knowledge about the topic. Another great way to use BrainPop is to have a rotation system like centers or different stations. You can have a specific movie you want students to see ready on the computers or the tablets, and then students can rotate to the station throughout the week or the day, watch the video, and then they can even write about what they have learned. Here I made a sample lesson idea to help see the start process and finish process and how to integrate BrainPop into that lesson. A lesson that we have coming up is about fall. We have a circle map with the word fall in the middle, and I'm going to have students tell me what they know, what they think of when they think of the word fall, and have that filled into the circle map. We're then going to watch the video about fall. You can then take one of the fall quizzes as a class in the Smartboard, which is what we do for my students' age, and then have centers set up for students to explore the topic of fall, like leaves to paint with, pumpkin seeds to count, along with a station of computers or tablets for students to play the game that goes along with fall, which is down here. That would be the game part. Then we can gather students back to talk about what they have learned and add some more words to the circle map about fall. And here's a picture just showing the different areas. If you look right up here on most of the videos, this is going to be the school subject. And then over here, these two are going to be the more specific subtopics where the video is located. Of course, these are the buttons to use to play the video. This will play the video again, rewind, play, and fast forward. And then down at the bottom are going to be your games, your activities. There's a word wall, different lesson ideas, and things that you can use. And then, of course, the hard quiz and the easy quiz. So let's go to BrainPop and just explore. So like I said, here's the home page of BrainPop Junior. If you have a specific topic that you want to find, you can just search that up here. So if I'm looking, like I said, for the topic of fall, I'm typing in fall, and I'm searching. And there's the actual video about fall, and then there's some other things that might go with fall, like Halloween, Johnny Appleseed, forest, talking about the leaves and the changes and the seasons and the sun. So if I click on the fall video, it tells me that this is the subject of science, the subtopic of weather, and then fall. So that kind of tells me what kind of standards I'm going to be using and what standards that this is covering. So then if I play the video, there's going to be a fun video that engages my students, questions that come up that I can discuss with them, quizzes to test their understanding, just all kinds of great activities to use. This is a resource that I have used for many years that my students love and enjoy, and is just a great addition to any classroom.